Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Jeremy Arditi, co-CEO of Teads, to discuss how quality media, data, and creative solutions can deliver better business outcomes. Jeremy, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Great to be here.
Thank you. And provide us with some background on Teads.
Sure. Teads is a company that was started over 10 years ago, focused on really enabling advertisers and media agencies across the globe to very easily buy ads, particularly video ads, across many of the world's most premium publishers. We started very much in the desktop and mobile space, and we've more recently expanded into connected TV. And we work with some of the most premier and household brand names that you might be able to imagine.
Tell us about the Teads CTV offering and what does it enable brands to do? How would retailers leverage CTV?
Sure. So we work with all different kinds of advertisers who acquire CTV ad campaigns through our platform, and retailers are some of those. But it spans a broad set of verticals from the luxury space, the automotive space, CPG companies, consumer electronics companies, and again, retailers are one category within that. Retailers specifically, what we've been working with them on is the ability to really leverage some of their shopper data or their loyalty card data in order to better target audiences, say people who purchase a certain kind of product or who have been actively seeking a certain kind of product, and coupling that data with the inventory, the advertising inventory that we make available on our platform has been a really interesting growth vehicle, not just for our business, but for our clients, because it's a very effective way of buying targeted ad campaigns.
So can retailers or businesses of all size leverage CTV?
I think that's one of the interesting things in this transition that the industry is going through with the advent of CTV. Historically, the kinds of companies that were very actively buying linear TV tended to be the largest companies. The reality is, as CTV as a buying opportunity is done through many of the same ways that people have bought ads on some of the major social platforms or the major search engines, it's opening up the opportunity for many advertisers, including smaller ones who historically haven't been buyers of television ads, to be able to do so much in the same way that they might buy an ad on a social network, for example. So absolutely, it's all sort of shapes and sizes of advertisers. Now, that being said, at Teads, we tend to work primarily with some of the largest companies out there. Let's call them the 500 or so largest in the economy.
How does CTV mirror Teads' current solutions, and how does the international campaign align with the existing strategy?
Sure. So our focus historically has always been rooted in providing high quality media inventory by bringing on publishers and content creators onto our platform that make their ad inventory available. So that's what we've done in the online world. It's also what we're doing in the connected TV world. Some of the biggest names in publishing or content creation, as well as some of the TV manufacturers who are now also becoming sellers of advertising. They're making some of their inventory available on our platform. So that focus on quality has been really in our DNA since day one. We're now bringing that focus on quality into the connected TV space, and combining quality media inventory with very effective creative optimization that's optimized for the device that someone's consuming an ad on. That ad experience or that ad creative might be different if someone's seeing it on a mobile device versus on a connected TV. And so we help advertisers and media agencies make those small adjustments that are going to make an ad more impactful. And in addition to that marriage of quality media and effective creative, we're bringing really innovative data solutions to the forefront, including some of the things that we're doing in partnership with retailers, and measurement and optimization capabilities that are really aligned to what an advertiser's business outcomes are. And that can be sort of an upper funnel brand driving business outcome objective if someone is trying to make sure that a new product is known in the marketplace, or it could be something like driving sales through their website, but really understanding what those objectives are and aligning to them.
Jeremy, what other new commerce-driven solutions are Teads leveraging?
We've built solutions that enable a brand to take a user essentially from an ad that they might be seeing, let's say on ESPN.com as an example, through our technology, straight through to a shopping cart in basically one click, and collapsing that user journey from the exposure of an advertisement into a purchase is something that we've been working on from a creative and technology standpoint. And we've seen some great results for the brands and retailers that we work with.
So we've been discussing how Teads aims to redefine the next generation of digital advertising. What's next for Teads?
I think really our focus is on continuing to build on the journey that we've been on, which is applying our combination of quality media, effective creative, innovative data solutions, and measurement capabilities, applying those ingredients to more channels. Connected TV is one of them. We've also been doing things in augmented reality. And really our underlying purpose and mission is to help our customers drive more growth through their business, and do that through advertising that is rooted in quality, that's effective, and that's measurable, and that ultimately is there to support a business objective that a brand might have.
All right, Jeremy, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you, Jill.